If someone asks you, how are you? Do you say, I'm good, thanks? Or do you say, I'm well, thanks? Do you say, you speak English good? Or do you say, you speak English well? These two words can sometimes be a bit confusing for a few English learners, so I thought I'd talk about these two words today. My name is Karen, and on my channel I help you bridge the gap or close the gap between the English that you learn in the classroom and the English that's actually used in real life. If you're new to my channel and would like to learn some more real-life English, then make sure you press the subscribe button below and also the bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Today I'm going to be talking about the two words good and well. Firstly, let's talk about the word good. Good is an adjective. It gives you more information about a noun. And remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. That restaurant is really good. I like their food. This car is good. It's cheap, it's easy to drive, and there's a lot of space inside. It's really good. It's a good car. The other time that you use good is when you're talking about the five senses. And do you remember what the five senses are? You see things with your eyes, you hear things with your ears, you smell things with your nose, you taste things with your tongue and your mouth, and you touch things with your hands or skin. That jumper looks good and it also feels good. The music sounds really good. That pizza smells good and it also tastes good. Now the word well. Well is an adverb, and an adverb gives you more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's talk about an example where well gives you more information about a verb. Let's answer one of my questions at the beginning of this video. You speak English good or you speak English well? So here you want to give more information about the verb speak. So you have to use an adverb. You have to use well. You speak English well. Now, what makes things confusing is that well can also be used as an adjective. But there are two things that you need to remember when using well as an adjective. The first thing is that well as an adjective can only be used to describe your health. So well as an adjective means to not be sick or to be healthy. And the second thing that you need to remember is that well as an adjective usually doesn't go before a noun. I'm not feeling well. I'm going to go home now. Is he well enough to go on this trip? What did the doctor say? So if someone asks you, how are you? Do you say, I'm good, thanks? Or do you say, I'm well, thanks? You can say both. Both are okay. Now, that's what it says in the textbooks. What happens in real life? Like I said in this video, anything can happen in real life. So you will hear things like, you did good, well done, or they did good today. But if you're sitting an exam, please use the correct grammar. You did good. There is a verb, did. and you want to give more information about the verb did. So you use an adverb. You use well. You did well. They played good today. The verb here is played. You want to give more information about a verb, and the verb here is played. So you have to use an adverb. You have to use well. So you say, they played well today. That's all I have for you today. A quick video on the two words good and well. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use these two words correctly in English. Please give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful so that I know to make more videos like this one for you in future. And don't forget to press the subscribe button below and also the bell if you'd like to get more videos like this one. This is going to be my last video for 2020, so thank you very much for your support this year. It's great to hear that you found my videos useful. I'd like to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And even though it's the holiday season, I'd still like you to keep practicing your English. Stay safe out there, and I shall see you back here in 2021. Bye!